If you've been thinking of writing a book or already have one or more books published, you know the importance of your audience finding your book. The question is, how comfortable and effective are you at doing this through social media? No matter where you are in writing or publishing your book, now is the time to maximize social media for sharing the inspired message your book delivers. And no social media platform expands your inspired message or shortens the distance between your book and audience easier than Facebook and YouTube. At Sounds of One, we produce and write book trailers for intuitively inspired authors that harness the energetic essence of your book's inspired message. We also coach authors on the best way to reach, engage, and inspire your audience through social media. If you're a first-time client with Sounds of One, you will receive a 30-second book trailer for free when you hire Sounds of One to create and produce a 60-second or longer book trailer. That's a $549 value. As published authors ourselves, we know what it takes to infuse the energy of love and gratitude into words, sound, and visual imagery that delivers a life-altering experience for those who need your book when it matters most. Email us at soundsofone@gmail.com today or message us on Facebook and let us know how we can bring the inspired message of your book to life.